Growing your own veggies is not only fun, but you'll know what exactly went into the plants at every stage, which is not the case with store-bought food. While growing plants in a busy city might seem like an impossible task, there are fruits and veggies you can grow in pots that sit pretty on a super small porch, fire escape, or even a well-lit indoor area. And unlike traditional gardens, you won't have to deal with many intrusive weeds either. 1. Carrots. Carrots are one of the easiest vegetables to grow indoors because keeping a steady level of moisture in soil is easy to maintain. There are many varieties of carrots that may be grown indoors that cannot be found in produce sections of local markets. All it takes is a 12-inch pot of soil and a sunny window, and anyone will be well on their way to harvesting beautifully delicious carrots. 2. Kale. Kale is surprisingly easy to grow indoors and even does well during the colder months. The trick is to sow the seeds a little farther apart to give the plants adequate room to grow. You should see sprouts within a week. 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a very healthy addition to any diet because they are low in calories, high in fiber, and contain lots of healthy potassium. Growing them at home is very simple since they grow best in a dark, moist environment, can be grown by almost anyone in any place. Harvest is usually 4 to 5 weeks from start to plate, so growing these little gems indoors is very rewarding. 4. Beets. Beets are not only a colorful addition to your plate, they are also nutritionally heavy in vitamins and minerals. Easy to grow, beets are the perfect vegetable to grow for a beginner gardener, as the plants are tolerant of many different growing environments. This delicious root is a great choice for indoor gardening and will deliver a nice, fulfilling product. 5. Bell peppers. Growing bell peppers indoors allows for proper control of the growing environment, which is essential for beautiful peppers. In addition, there is a longer growing season indoors, which will yield more vegetables for longer periods of time. Picking right when it's ready will also encourage new peppers to grow quickly without strain on the plant itself. 6. Potatoes. Potatoes are easy to grow in large baskets, buckets, or even plastic sacks. Leave a little room at the top to add more compost as the plants start to develop. 7. Herbs. Herbs are the easiest edible plant for apartment dwellers to harvest. Basil, rosemary, mint, ginger, cilantro, and parsley are all viable options for foodies who don't want to pay top dollar for spices at the store. Most require little effort, just a sunny spot on your windowsill or fire escape and regular watering. 8. Microgreens. Microgreens are tiny plants that are big on flavor and big on price in local markets. However, they are pretty easy to grow at home, given a few simple supplies, a sunny windowsill, and a small container. In only 2 to 3 short weeks from planting to harvest, microgreens can be garnishing your own homemade plates. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe for more videos.